At the 2017 Automation Fair event here in Houston, the top companies in industrial automation are showing off their innovative products. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner network magazine. One of those top companies is Southwire, and I'm talking here with Steve. So Steve, tell me what you guys are showing off and what your company does.
Well, what Southwire does is we manufacture electrical cable for a variety of applications, everything from the utility plants that produce the power and transmit the power to all kinds of building infrastructure power to factory automation power, if electrical cabling. One of the things that we're very excited about is our variable frequency drive cables that we're Encompass partners with Rockwell on.
And being an Encompass partner, tell us what that means, how that benefits your customers.
Well, it benefits our customers because the customers understand that Rockwell has approved our products for use with their products, so customers are much less likely to have problems during the install or operation of their systems if they're using Southwire products with Rockwell products.
That's because an Encompass partner means your products are compatible and they'll just start working with the Rockwell products.
Correct. There's no guesswork involved there.
And so you're getting some good traffic here in your booth. What are people excited to see? What are you showing off?
Well, we've had a lot of interest in our variable frequency drive cables, which run from Rockwell drives, the inverter of the drive, to the motors. They eliminate a lot of problems that can occur in those systems, like motor failure, problems with PLCs and controls, and the drive cable can actually make some of those problems go away.
Oh, that's very important. And there's a lot of traffic here. How has the show been going for you in general?
We've really been excited. A lot of people have come by the booth. We've had some very good questions. I'm presenting a presentation on VFD cables, and it's been very well attended. It's been a lot of interest.
Well, that's great. There's not surprised that people are interested because this is an important function. So there's a lot more you can learn about how Southwire can help you. Go to the URL you see on the screen and see how they might be able to help you. I'm Teresa Hauk at the 2017 Automation Fair event. See you next time.